How's it going, everyone? I want to do a quick update on ADTX, as this is the one that has made me and my Discord members tons of money, and it just comes down to the point, do you want to keep rinsing and repeating it? I am eyeing this one up. I had to scroll in here, but as you can see, we made a massive move here on 10/15, October 15. You know, who cares if it got diluted and sold off again? We already took the profit. Anyone that did not take this profit, just learn from this and be like, this is massive gains. It pumped right here from the lows, 75%. And according to my system we knew we were going to touch this EMA 5. Anything above that EMA 5 was just a cherry on top of the ice cream. It was just beautiful. And the reason why we knew it was going to touch the EMA 5, count the candles of being away from the EMA 5. This candle here is clearly touching it. I don't care how crappy the stock is. When you get to the extreme levels, you get those dead cat bounces to it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the 12th daily candle, we hit this EMA 5. It was extremely diluted. As you can see, we went right back down, and now we're back here. We touched this EMA 5, and now we have 1 day of not touching the EMA 5. Usually after this long thing, we're going to, touch this EMA 5 often. But what I'd like to see, and what I like to tell a lot of people is, we need it. If you're going to do a re-entry, it has to be touching this bottom band. I'll tell you the biggest mistake, and it's got me so many times. You see this big pump, right? You're like, oh my gosh, it went to 180s, and now went all the way back down to where my previous entry was, 120s, 110, wherever it was, and you buy back in, and then the problem is, we make a new low, because as you can see, we're in a nasty downtrend, and we make a new low, and you're like, man, why am I in this trash stock? And you're gonna think it's junk and all that. And in reality, all these penny stocks are just junk status, right? But I will tell you this: according to all the pennies I am looking at, this one has the best EMA 10 time distance. Look at this. This is insane. It's all the way back here. We touched the EMA 10 back in 821. You guys do the math. 921, 1021. We're coming into 2 months, so it's 1017. And it doesn't make me bizarre to see that, because it's extremely diluted, so you kind of have to double it. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 and 7 daily candles, well, you kind of double it, and that's why it took so long. And then this was just a very bullish setup. As you can see, we were hugging this lower band here, and when you're down under it for about 7 daily candles, look at this. We had right in here we touched. So we moved up here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or actually, we count this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can see the kind of the consolidation, then big move up. But we are not at this lower ATR4, and there's a reason why I had this, is to keep me, this is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you just get in right away. I like to see till EMA 5 time distance, but like I said, I've seen this pattern a lot. I can show you countless times where, we haven't touched the EMA 10, and then we touch this EMA 5, we go above it, and then we resist. This is literally algos to a T, directing this market, right? We touch the EMA 5, we resist. And we see it time and time again, right? So what I like to see is, I would like to see this lower band here, for a target or for an entry. And then I also like to see the KDJ. This stochastic oscillator will make you bank as long as you follow to it. We're at 3.88. I want to see a near 2. I want to see a near 2, but I can't resist, knowing that, this EMA 10, it has a 96% room up, and it's going to accumulate down as price goes down. So as time goes, this is going to go down. But do keep in mind that EMA 10 is your next target. It's coming close to 2 months of not touching it. But we don't want to randomly buy. Stick to my system. We want to get some time distance away from the EMA 5. We want a low K value, and we have to touch this lower band. This lower band is at 96 cents. And if it just goes up away from, without you, that's totally fine. You should have already made massive gains on ADTX on this candle right in here. So it's totally fine if you miss out on a run. Don't ever give your gains back. That's what I see a lot of people do. It pumps big right here, and then it starts coming back down, and people start adding it back to where their previous average was, thinking it's a deal, and then we make a new low. So I hope this video, guys, helps you. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, please do. I hope to see you guys in there, and I think you guys will learn a lot. If you click the link link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And if you're in here, please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. It's very simple. You'll just have to use your computer or just use your phone's browser, and then you can use your Android just as fine. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. Read the testimonies, how a lot of people made massive money doing this strategy. Like this guy Riggs, for the 4 months that I've been on your Discord, I have not lost money, and all thanks to you and the people here. But if you just hit day trade alerts, you'll get access to everything that's in there. It's just awesome. And then if server shop up in here, you'll see how to trade like a pro. I offer 2 services, the Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. I highly recommend you try the Day and Swing Trading Plus. It's a really nice strategy. What I talked about was strictly swing trading and how you could see like how valuable it is, because what we're doing is we're doing reversions to the mean, right? Right in here was your reversion to the mean. We come up here, we knew this EMA 5 was your target, and then you clearly know what your targets are, and then more importantly is you know where your buy zones are and how to accumulate. I have a video for you to watch on how to properly accumulate. $12 a month, you'll get access to everything. It's so worth it compared to hundreds of dollars you would spend. Literally, it's just like a meal out, from McDonald's or something. But you'll get access to my RTK live stream, RTK journal, day trade chat, day trade alerts, swing trading education, and day trading education. The more important about this Discord is to be a part of the community and learn how to fish. And I'm going to teach you guys all my ways on how to trade and the only strategy that has made me profitable. So hope you guys enjoyed this. This is ADTX. I am looking at a buy when it hits this lower band here. I am not in yet. I don't want to make all my gains go deteriorate. I made massive gains on this, so I want to make sure I follow my system. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And definitely join the Discord, as I'm sure you guys will be a lot more profitable there, and it's just a great community, guys. All right, peace out, guys. Happy trading.